Hello, I am Pul Dolivira and I am going to provide a brief description about the prototype I developed for my MSc research, personalized information retrieval from mashup using social networks. Before I start the demonstration of the prototype, I just give you a brief introduction about the mashups and information personalization. Basically, a mashup is a web application that combine data or functionality from two or more external sources to innovatively create new service or application. Social network sites represent virtual societies in cyberspace. They create a dynamic space for users to share information more interactively and allow users to link with each other. This includes sharing of thoughts, expressions, and ideas. Personalization is a critical requirement for any form of information retrieval mechanism, and it's the process of presenting the right information to the right user at the right moment. Personalization of information emphasizes reduced information overload, reduced information search time, and the reduced use of resources when information is retrieved. Since mashups are external resources to since mashup use external resources to obtain information or functionality, the fair use of those external resources should emphasize because those resources are originally implemented to serve some other service. On the other hand, when an external resource is used as the main data presentation mechanism of the mashup system, such as use of map API to provide or present data, the user-friendliness of the mashups may decrease because the external resources may not intended to be used as a data presentation mechanism. Hence, the data presentation aspects may not be covered properly. So personalization techniques can be applied to reduce the load of the mashup system and to reduce the burden to the external resources it's made of. On the other hand, it will provide more suitable information to its end users, so impact of poor data presentation can be minimized. Okay. Personal information available in social networks can be used in mashup data personalization. A mashup capable of identifying various preferences based on the personal information obtained from social networks and can combine the data or functionality of its external sources based on the identified personal preferences to generate personalized information. To achieve this task, the mashup should be dynamic as well as intelligent. This research is focused on developing an intelligent mashup system which infers personal preferences based on the personal information obtained from social networks. So basically the ontology is used to infer user preferences and obtain information based on the inferred preferences. So preferences are identified based on the user information found in social network profiles, and based on the identified preferences, external resources are mapped. So ultimately, by using those external resources, the personalized information is obtained. Please refer to the main document for more information about the proposed personalized mashup architecture design and the analysis of the system. A prototype mashup system was developed to provide personalized housing information based on the user information found in Facebook profile. The mashup understands various user preferences based on the obtained user information from Facebook and provide personalized housing information based on the understood preferences. An ontology is developed to hold the domain knowledge related to housing domain, and the user preferences are inferred based on the ontology. The ontology was developed in web ontology language using Protege IDE and Pilot Inference Engine. Was used to inference the ontology, and Gina API is used to access the ontology. Basically, Sprint, Struct, and Hibernate frameworks are used in mashup prototype development. Here you can see the personalized mashup system, the prototype personalized mashup system, which provides personalized housing information to its end user. Basically, the mashup system use connect to Facebook and obtain user information from this Facebook profile, and based on this obtained user information, it understand uh, indirect and direct user preferences by uh, indirect and direct user preferences, and based on these understood user preferences, it obtains personalized housing information and personalized information from its external resources. Uh, Here the ontology represents the domain knowledge of the mashup system, domain knowledge relevant to housing domain. So based on the obtained user information, based on ontology inference, user preferences, and based on these user preferences, personalized housing information or personalized loan information related to housing domain is obtained, and those obtained personalized information is being presented to user by using Google Maps API.